Hello to you, my jewelry maker friend. Today we are going to make a very beautiful frame, a wire frame to this heart-shaped piece. You could use any kind of stone, bead, or all kind of materials for the inner part, and then you would make a wire frame for that piece. This could be one of those, and if you're interested to make one, please leave a comment for me. Or even that could be a ceramic part, just as we had the tutorial of making a prong setting in this video. And if you're interested to make a very minimal, unique, and easy wire frame for a rounded piece just like this, please let me know. But now we are going to make one for this heart-shaped resin stone. What we need is 3 types of wire, 1 millimeter thick or 1.2, 0.81, and a thinner type of about 0.4 or 0.5. Our main tools: round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and wire cutter, and of course our stone. Okay, to start better, we are going to draw a map. We are going to put our stone on the paper and we just draw the outline, and this would be the shape of our stone. And then in a typical kind of wire frame, we need 3 rows of wire. One of them are going to support the upper side, one of them is going to support the side of stone, and one of them is going to support the back part. We are not going to see that in front view. So we could draw these lines in the map that we are going to make with wire, and this could be just simply done little by little by yourself, or follow the lines that I am drawing, then you could draw your own. I'm going to use this one as a simple and somehow easy one that we are going to make. In this drawing map, we have this row of wire that is going to top, and we would have a wire coil in here, and then this one is supporting the side part of this stone, and another one that is going behind. So we determine the length approximately with putting the ruler on the lines and by adding a little more, because these are a curved lines, not a straight one. For example, this is 3, and I'm going to add about 1 centimeter or half of a centimeters, because this is a curved line. So I'm going to put it all around till now it's 5. I would double this one, and I'm going to plus these numbers with about 2 centimeters, that it's kind of a tolerance, and this would be 8 centimeters, and I'm going to double that because it's for the half of this shape, and it's 16 centimeters. Then I'm going to do the same, and that would be approximately the same for all those 3 rows. 2 of them, that is in front of the stone, is going to be almost the same, and 16 centimeters, and the back part could be a little less, 12 centimeters for that part. So we cut 2 strands of 16 centimeters and 1 12. We are going to attach these 3 strands at the middle, and these are going to be the main frame. So The thick is 1 millimeter. Put these strands next to each other and then the 0.8 wire at the back, and then wrap it all around. So we have a U-shaped frame here, and we are going to squeeze it with chain nose pliers. Then we would wrap it again all around these 3 strands. This is our first row. We are going to repeat that for about 3 or 4 times. We could do that on both sides, right and left, so that we get into something like this. And don't forget to squeeze the start and ending part onto the work so that there wouldn't be any sharp edges left. We are going to put this weaving part just here at this bottom part of this heart. So we are going to make a 90-degree bend at the middle of this weaving part. So put your chain nose pliers somewhere at the middle and then make a 90-degree bend. And we are going to wrap the mid row of these wires all around this heart-shaped stone. So we put it at the middle and we wrap it exactly all around this stone till we get to the top. We are going to form the upper row just like we did for the second one, just a little more squeezed, just like this. We squeeze it a little and we curve that with our fingers just like this, and also the back row could be something like this to keep it tight. And at the end we could do some additions and fixations with tools and make it more symmetrical. It would be something like this till now, and the point is, if there are some changes in the middle of your working, no matter, no problem, it's okay, but you should get to something good, of course, not just the same as the pattern you are looking. At this step, we are going to make 2 bends at the upper row of wires that we had made. So put your chain nose pliers and make bends just in front of each other with your round nose pliers, and it would be something like this. And this is going to be the part that we are going to make wire weaving with our thinner wire. But before making wire wrapping on this tail, we are going to wrap this extra part all around the central frame, and you could fix it with your fingers not to move. You could do this wire wrapping as you desire on both sides or just one side to keep it tight, or any other shapes that you desire. And then to wrap the other tail and to fix it. I wrapped the second part just all around the other half heart-shaped wire. I'm going to squeeze it a little. Then with the thinner wire, I'm going to make a wire wrapping all around these two tails. Squeeze it and wrap it all around. And to fix it with chain nose pliers, round nose pliers, all around. Then to wrap it just like when you are making a wire coiling. And we continue this wire wrapping and push the ending point to the work, and we leave about 1 centimeter leave-in at the end. And here we are going to put the stone at the middle part. So we have 3 parts that is going to be fixed all around this piece or stone. And I'm going to wrap these 2 back strands all around the mid part and mid wire. You could do anything that you want, and it depends on the size of the stone that you are going to use, but I'm going to do just this and to wrap these 2 strands all around the mid part and to fix them just like this. This is the first one, and I'm going to repeat that for the second one. And this is the back part, and these 2 tails are left. We can make some beautiful curves with them all around the main frame, or just to cut them out, depends on you. I'm going to make 2 curves to see how it could be the result on both sides, of course. So I decided to make a swirl with one of them and to make a loop with the other one. And now I'm going to wrap this coiling part all around a cylindrical shape, but not to squeeze it in the middle of a round nose pliers. If you are using a round nose pliers, just stay it fixed and just wrap the coiling part all around so that there wouldn't be any spaces in between. We are almost done. Just one more step is to make very little swirls and curved shapes at the back part, and to make 2 little swirls just like this. And well, that is the result, and making a wire frame for a heart-shaped stone or any other materials that you have all around. Hope you had enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any questions about making this frame or the other ones, or if you would like to learn how to make other wire frames, please comment it for me so that I would know that you are interested in such kind of wire frames, and will make more tutorials for you. Thank you so much. Love you. Take care and bye-bye.